For some reason, the smell of this mascara reminds me of the rooms on cruise ships.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I don't really use primer, so this is going to kind of act like primer. Yeah, my face is dry, and I don't like to put like a mattifying primer on it because I just feel like it's going to accentuate the dryness.
Tonight, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm going to mix the shade 201 and 202 together.
So hot, boy, you know you're making it so hot, so hot, so hot.
Just kidding, I'm only going to use 202.
I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't.
For concealer, I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C2.
Baby, gotta be honest.
And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, along my nose, around my nose, and then on my forehead. And then actually, I'm going to apply a little bit on my eyelids because I'm going to use this as eyeshadow primer.
Pulling away from the fire, should go but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight.
I'm just going to use that same sponge.
I just wanna love you. 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 But you're making it so hot. But you're making it so hot. Boy, you know you're making it so hot, so hot, so hot.
Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Compact Powder, and this is in the shade 100 Translucent. And I'm just going to take this and set underneath my eyes and everywhere that we put concealer. Then I'm actually going to run it along the rest of my face. And then I'm going to take that on a Morphe M438 brush.
I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
And I am going to take that on my eyes to set the concealer instead of taking an eyeshadow. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take a Morphe E41 brush. So for my contour or my bronzer, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette. I'm going to take these two shades together. I'm going to take that on the Real Techniques blush brush.
I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them. But we got tired.
Now for the sides of my nose, I'm going to take the Morphe E17 brush and the same two powders.
You only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck.
And I'm just going to take that same NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Brunette.
It's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Revolution Makeup Reloaded palette.
Back when I met you.
I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to run that in my crease, and that's going to act as our transition shade. Don't let me forget to put blush on. I'm going to take that shade on the Morphe E27 brush.
Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck
next shade I'm going to take is this one down here in the corner. I'm going to take that on a Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to place that just below where we put the first shade. I'm actually going to mix these two colors together.
Holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our pride.
I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to put that more towards like the outer part of my eye.
I understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now, we will make.
Kind of just patting it there, and then we'll take another brush that doesn't have any product on it, and then we'll blend it all out.
Get over you. Oh, I'll get over you.
And I'm going to take a Morphe M504 brush. There's no product on it. I'm just going to blend that out.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart.
I'm just going to go back in with that Fit Me powder. I'm going to take a Morphe M213 brush and just place that translucent powder in the inner part of our eye.
And even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to.
And now for the inner part of our eye, I'm going to take a Morphe 212 brush. I'm going to take this shade right here.
Just forgetting him, I'm not in love. I don't feel anything, don't feel anything.
Now before I forget, I'm going to take Nars Orgasm Blush and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to take that on a Morphe Y4 brush.
Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable?
I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to prime them with the L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer.
And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting.
And while we let that dry, I'm going to take some highlighter. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder. And this is in the shade Precious Petals. I'm going to take that on a Real Techniques setting brush. So sit down. So I have two options for mascara. I have the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama, or we have the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I'm just going to take the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama and just apply that to my lashes. If you have dried out mascara, don't throw it away. Keep it and use it as like a comb for your lashes. So I'm just going to take this one. This is the Benefits Roller Lash. This is my favorite mascara. This is dried out. Like there's absolutely like no product on it. And I'm just going to take it and comb through my lashes just to have it not so clumpy.
They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, end and we run without shame. We own the game and we run.
So for lips, I'm going to take the Milani lip liner in the shade Nude.
Ain't nobody gonna
I'm just going to line my lips with this.
on the roof, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
And then for my lips, I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie in the shade Baby Doll. Just like that. I'm just going to try and put that in the center of my lips.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is
To
timeless.
finish off this look, I'm going to take the Morphe Prep and Set setting spray. I'm going to spray my face.
Like we preach. Ooh, getting
Take a different sponge and kind of just go over it to kind of mesh it all in together.
cold and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own.
This is the final look. This actually turned out better than I thought. If you guys want to see more eyeshadow looks, let me know because I can do that. I have tons of eyeshadow palettes and I never use them because I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. I figured I would switch it up and do something besides like lashes. I tried to stick to products that were at the drugstore for this look. And I just wanted to say my very first video, my get ready with me for my graduation party, is almost at 400 views, which is like insane. So if you haven't seen that, go click on it, check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below of what you want to see. And subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified anytime I upload. And if you just want to follow me along on this journey. I don't think I have anything else to say, except thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Unless something drastic happens, I'll see you guys before.
Let them run and hide, baby, cause we
Okay, I'm done. I need to go.